Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect Equity Edge to Match Trader. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so Equity Edge offers two platform options, the Match Trader platform or MetaTrader 5 or MT5. You choose when purchasing your challenge account and can't switch later within the same account. So recently, Equity Edge migrated fully to Match Trader after moving away from MetaTrader, signaling a commitment to the new platform. So in order to do this, we need to first go ahead and log into your Equity Edge account, so your funded or trial dashboard, by going to equityedge.io and signing into your account. Now, once you've gone ahead and sign in, we want to go ahead and select the Match Trader as the platform when purchasing a challenge, and then use the Match Trader credentials provided by Equity Edge. From there, go to Match Trader login page and enter your login details. Once logged in, you'll immediately see your account interface, including live trial balances, trading instruments, charts, and orders.